For assembling the Cartel Youth Bow, you'll notice that the bow comes riser and limbs separate, and the limb knobs are pre-installed. First, you have to remove them. The curves on the limbs are recurved. They're going to go away from the shooter. So when you first assemble it, the tips point away from you. Your upper limb is not marked at all. Align the bushing in the limb with the bushing in the riser and install the limb bolt. Just twist it in. When it seats itself, a little finger tight, but not too hard. Then repeat the process on the lower limb. The lower limb has the limb name and the limb stats on it. Again, align the bushings and screw in the limb bolt. Finger tight and firm, but not too hard.